Alright, today I'm gonna explain to you Flexbox in Tailwind CSS. Let's go. It always starts with a div. We give it display of flex and direction of flex row. Now the children will display according to the main axe and cross axe of flex row. We put inside the div tree div with specific height and width. If we change it to flex call, the main axe and cross axe changes. If we add reverse, the main axe takes the opposite direction. Use a justify start to justify item against the start of the container main axis. Put it in justify end, it put the divs at the end of the main axe. And justify center, put it in the center of the main axe. Justify between, share the empty space equally between divs. And justify around to justify items along the container main axis such that there is an equal amount of space on each side of each item. Use item start to align item to the start of the container cross axe. Use item end to align item at the end of the container cross axe. Use item center to align item along the center of the container cross axis. You can give child divs flex 1 so it take all the space available equally. You can take about like 33% for each div. If we leave one div with its original size, the other two divs will divide the space equally between them.